Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to get back and just record. I know you guys haven't seen my face in like a while. That's honestly my fault, to be honest. I've just been like super busy with just life, you know. But I am back today. I really want to like bring you guys with me today. I'm actually going to my friend's house right now. Actually, I'm on my way there. We're actually going to this like beautiful beach. She's taking me, and I can't wait to just take you guys with me. So just tag along with me, guys. What do you guys think about my highlight? I just got my highlight done yesterday. I really like it. I feel like it really fits my face. It fits my skin complexion. So like, let me know what you guys think. Like, put it down in the comments down below. Yes, let me know. Put me on. Alrighty, guys, I am in the car with my girl. Yes, that's Jeanette. Her sister's up in the front, and then her friends are up in the front. But we are on our way to this like nice beach, like I was saying. So I'm excited, guys. Whoop whoop, excited.
Now that I know, like, that one, I wasn't gonna invite you to go. I knew that girl.
I feel like 48 years old. How your
Her
skin
skin
so
is
rough?
soft. Her skin is soft.
Living on edge. You always say you want to get into some trouble.
Living on edge.
Hilarious.
What do I want to driveway backwards?
Hilarious.
I know they meant.
So we made it downtown, Delray Beach actually. It's beautiful over here, guys. Like, I'm about to take like some cute photos, of course, some selfies, and then yeah, I'm gonna walk around and show you guys just this beautiful area. Look at, yes, sis, yes. You gotta hype your friend up. You gotta hype your friend up. Yes. Selfies for days. Yes. 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 One leg with it. One leg. One leg with it. Yes. Gotta be the hype girl in the group. You heard? The hype. The hype. The hype girl. Yes. I want another selfie. Is that too much to ask? Because I'm like, not selfie. I'm sorry. Photo shoot. Like another, like a photo shoot. Like let me know. Like, am I the only one that like takes millions of pictures and then like pick out like 3 or few of them to post? Like, it's so crazy. These greens, guys. I love Florida. Like, Nadesh, Shay. Here we go.
Diana.
Somebody dropped it.
Okay, your purse is gonna hold mine. Both are mine.
Yes. Anyways,
How much you guys make a year together?
another. What is this? Worthing. What is this?
They like, who's moving? We gotta go point at each other. We're not gonna have it. Like, how much you make a year? They do tour? I can't get in.
It's a tour? Where are we going? To do what? To do a tour? Oh, they looking at us like what we doing outside. They looking at us like what we doing. They're like, what is this? I'm gonna walk away. Walking away. Walking away.
That online, how racist it was?
Ah!
Black females, and we didn't make it into worthing place. Please get that on camera.
Yes, I gotta get that on camera. Yes. Yes, period. That is, I guess we're walking back. Walking back to the car, guys. Walking back to the car. Back to the car. Yes, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous, guys.
Oh, and she got like big fro. Yeah, that's what we mean. Out in the streets,
What the heck? Yes, we're out here. Still fun. Say hey, y'all.
Hey! Yes. Cause come on, Lord. Yes. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this. California, it's like, well, you guys been to California already? Yes, you guys have been to California. But for those that haven't, like the homes are just like kind of like this, but imagine like the hills. Oh, sorry. Like the mountains, sorry. The mountains.
Steep cliffs. It's scary, bro.
Ooh. And then your ears starts popping.
It is. I didn't.
Your ears start popping. She said I wasn't feeling it.
Because our tour guide, he rode up on the edge of the cliff, and I was
Oh, he's trifling. Oh my goodness.
I didn't even look because I knew not. I was on the edge and I was scared. That was a fun trip. He was a good tour guide.
This is like a great like photo shoot over here. Wow. Oh, is that a spider web?
It might be.
It is a spider web.
Oh, shoot.
Right here, up in this.
It does.
Ooh,
Yes, it is.
that's nasty. Oh my
We're
goodness.
not trying to walk into any webs, okay?
No, not with my. Let me close my mouth. I don't want that thing to go in my mouth. I didn't know I should have brought my speakers.
I have a play shower speaker. That should be like
Beach day in Florida. It's like 100 degrees. Wow, 100 degrees. Excuse me, guys. 100 degrees. Look at this.
do one of those.
Look at this. This is so beautiful. Yes, Jeanette. She was like, I need the light.
Where that light over there?
She want that light. Oh, sorry. Let me not get in the picture.
Wait, hold on.
Wait,
Diane's doing something.
no. Where do you want to take a picture?
Where did you want to take a picture? Oh, closer.
Oh, you want closer? Oh no. I want this view. I want to get this view real quick, guys. It is 2020 and it's okay. This year, even though it's been tough, this year we were able to really learn ourselves and really be able to do things that we wanted to do before, and now we're able to do these things. You know what I mean, guys? Like now we're able to do these things. So this is beautiful. I want you guys to really enjoy this view, this Florida view. Florida view. Wow.
And go.
I've had it, guys. I don't know how I got this headache.
Get that stuff off. It's going.
Put my hair up because I got my hair done yesterday. All right, yesterday. I cannot wet this hair, guys. Oh my goodness. But it's beautiful. The water was great. I went in real quick. I didn't put my whole body in because who has time to wet their hair? Not me. Not I. So yeah. It's beautiful, guys. The water's pretty seaweed-ish. Very seaweed. I want to show y'all. I'm going to go back in. Well, not all the way in. I'm going to show y'all. What's up? Look at this water, guys. Very warm. Love it. I'm going to go deep in. Yeah. Look at this ocean. I love the ocean, guys. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful. This is like God's creation. Like, wow. And he's very detailed. Like, never been here before. Famous. Yeah, it is my first time. Never been here before. Excited, baby. Wait, is it like a dine-in?
I don't know.
Do you eat in there?
I hope so.
Okay.
I don't
Yes.
know.
Yes. Let me get out of the sun so y'all can see. World famous. Never been here before, but I heard it's really good. Can't wait. Hey guys, so you guys are probably wondering how I got here, but see what happened was, I don't know what happened. No, I'm joking. No, actually, after World Famous, my headache was hurting. Like my head was just hurting. It was pounding, and I just knew like I need to come home. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. That's it. It's it for me. It's time for me to go home. That's it. But I had to make sure I come back and just finish out with you guys and just let you guys know, like, thank you. Seriously, thank you for just watching, you know. I would love to continue doing this and do more vlogs. And just, yeah, like, stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this video and like any advice, any tips, what you guys think. And yes, don't forget to ring that bell so you guys can get more of upcoming videos and notifications from me. Yes, but again, thank you guys for watching. God bless. Love y'all.